Hello girls, this is Roseanna, and today I'm going to be doing an absorbency test on the Always Radiant Infinity Totally Teen. The teen ones, yeah, just call it that. And I really love the packaging. It's so pretty. Okay, let's open it up. This is what it looks like, and if you can see, it says pad front right there, so you know. Okay, put that there, and peel this off, and put the wings down on the paper. The paper is so if any water leaks through the pad, we will be able to see on the back of the paper. Okay, so I have a medicine cup, and it has 4 teaspoons, and I have some water. So I'm going to fill it up. Okay, I'm just going to pour it all over. Okay, it absorbs it very quickly, and I can hardly feel the wetness. Okay, some more water. I'm pretty sure even the wings absorb too. Okay, it didn't absorb as quick as the first time we did it. It kind of sat there for like half a second, and then finally it decided to absorb. I think we're going to do one more. We're going to do it until we actually see it leak. Okay, now it's leaking off right there, and the water's just sitting there. It's like just sitting. So we're going to see if it decides to absorb. Okay, it's kind of just sitting there. I would need another piece of paper to put on under so it doesn't leak out on my desk. Okay, now we're going to try to carefully flip it over and look at all that water that's pouring out. Okay, it still did not leak through. Here's from, well, didn't leak actually like through, but it came off the sides. You guys can see that. Wow. Paper's all wet. Okay. Now, I need another piece of paper again and slide it under. Ah! It's not good. Okay. Now, since this is going to be an absorbency test and a what's inside the pad, I'm going to like rip this open. I'm wondering what's in the pads that I use. And if I can find somewhere to open it. Hold on, girls, just a second. I'm sorry. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, the little fabric-y cover. I can't get it off. It's like stuck. Well, it's not stuck. It's supposed to be like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like so smooth and soft. It's like memory foam. That's why I love these pads. They're the softest ones I've ever had. I can rip this off. Well, at least I know it's good quality stuff. Well, that's kind of the fabric over it. It's like, looks like netting. has like the holes in it. Okay. This stuff, oh my gosh. It's like smooth and soft and oh my gosh. It's like gelish, but fabricy at the same time. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Let's see if I can try to, no, don't rip, no, no. Oh, that failed. Look at it. That is so weird. Oh, got on the laptop. Oh, it's so weird. That is so weird. That is so weird. It's like so fun to do. Look at that. Look. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, I wish I could get it off all in one piece, but obviously that's not going to happen. Well, anyways, yeah, that's the Always Radiant Infinity Totally Teen pads. I totally recommend buying them. I love them. Oh my gosh, when I press down on it, it like leaves a mark for like 2 seconds and then goes away. Like memory foam. They're so cool. Okay, girls, if you enjoyed, thumbs it up, and please comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions or video requests, please leave them down below, and I will get to them. So, thanks, girls. Bye.